This is the most affordable property in the city of Abuja. I mean, with about 50 million naira, you can secure a one-bedroom apartment for yourself. There is also the two-bedroom apartment that is available for just 25 million naira. There is the 6 months payments plan and the 12 months payments plan with an initial deposit of about 4 million naira. You can secure for yourself this one bedroom apartment. I mean, just pay 4 million naira as your down payment, your first initial payment, and then spread the balance between 6 months or 12 months as you wish. This is an FCD approved property in a very strategic location. I know you've heard me talk about the Kyami district a lot, and this is because a lot of government estates are in this particular district. There is also the Goodluck Jonathan's villa or farm, and it's very, very close to the airport. Just about 10 to 15 minutes drive, and you're already in this estate. If you know Abuja, you know that the airport road is a major road in the city of Abuja. That means from this particular estate, about 20 to 25 minutes drive, you can get to the central business district. Now, if you're starting life or you stay outside the country and you want to invest your funds or invest your money in properties, now this is the best investment because you don't have to break the bank. Like I said, there are flexible payments plans that you can key into, and this is the most affordable property you can get in the city of Abuja. The last time I posted an affordable property, a lot of you reached out to me. Unfortunately, it was sold out. That is how it is. This is very, very affordable. And as you can tell already, the demand is very high. 50 million naira for one bedroom apartment in the city of Abuja. This is one of a kind. Do not miss this. So to purchase a property here, all you need to do is to contact the number showing on your screen, and I'll be willing to guide you on your real estate investment. Just take it as a New Year gift from me to you.